Unit 12, page 120, Exercise 3.
Love them or hate them, huge wind turbines are becoming a more frequent sight along our motorways. Along with solar panels, they are an important source of renewable energy. But how effective are wind farms at providing the energy we need? Joining me to discuss this is Lisa Baum, a renewable energy expert. Lisa, is wind power the future?
I very much think it is. There are so many benefits to wind. It's so much cleaner than gas and safer than nuclear. Wind farms are becoming cheaper to build and more efficient to run, making them better alternatives to gas or nuclear. European countries are leading the way. Germany already gets over 10% of its energy from wind power, and many EU countries will have already reached their wind power targets by 2020.
But I've read wind power is unreliable. What happens when the wind doesn't blow?
Obviously, that is an issue. But the technology is improving all the time, which means that even the slightest gusts of wind can generate electricity. Also, there is big investment in offshore wind farms, which are much more reliable. The largest offshore wind farm is in the UK, and there are 175 wind turbines producing 630 megawatts of electricity.
That sounds impressive.
Well, believe it or not, the biggest onshore wind farm in Europe is even bigger. 240 wind turbines on a 110-kilometre site near the Black Sea in Romania. But despite there being 65 more wind turbines, its capacity is smaller than the London sites.
Because the wind at sea is stronger?
Exactly.
So, what does the future hold?
Well, as the price of building wind farms comes down further, and the efficiency of the turbines goes up, it is hoped that countries will continue to replace fossil fuel power stations with cheaper, cleaner wind farms.
Thank you for joining us.
My pleasure.